Social Science Standard 10, Chapter 10, Part 1, India Agriculture. Introduction. Agriculture is an important resource of India. About 60% of labor power is engaged in agriculture. In most of the areas in India, two or more crops annually can be taken due to the factors like fertile climate for round the year cultivation, irrigation, skilled and hard working farmers. Agricultural production in India is decreasing compared to the world due to the reason like inadequate facility of irrigation, irregular and uncertainty of rain, more population, large family, small farms, no interest in experimentation, less usage of chemical fertilizer, modern machineries and scientific approach for cultivation, educated mass opting away from agriculture, the so-called lower status for agriculture in the society. Farming is classified according to irrigation method, farm outputs, economic return, etc. Based on that, we see the types of farming. First one, subsistence farming. Farming done on small farm using simple and basic tool is called subsistential farming. The farmers doing this farming are poor, so they cannot afford good fertilizer, quality seeds and pesticide. The production out of this farming is so low that it is consumed mainly by the farmer and his family. Second one, dry farming. Farming done by using the moisture accumulated within the land is known as dry farming. Only one crop is taken through the humidity accumulated in the land. Crops like jowar, millet and pulses which requires less water to grow. In Gujarat, wheat and gram are grown in the humid soil after monsoon is over. Third one, wet farming. The farming practiced in the region of heavy rain or having good and adequate facilities for irrigation is called wet farming. If there is no rainfall or if it is insufficient, more than one crop is taken with the help of irrigation. Wherein paddy, sugarcane, cotton, wheat and vegetables are grown. Shifting Jhum agriculture. In this type of farming, first a piece of forest land is cleared by cutting trees and burning trunks and branches. After this, the crops are grown for 2 or 3 years. When the fertility of soil reduces, the farmers leave the land and start farming with the same method in some other land. This type of farming is also known as Jhum farming. Cereals or vegetables are grown in this type of agriculture. The production is less. Plantation agriculture, the fifth one. It means farming of trees or bush. A lot of capital, technological knowledge, good fertilizer, irrigation facility, transport facility, managerial skills, etc. are needed for plantation agriculture. It also takes long time to grow plantation crop and requires lot of care. Rubber, tea, coffee, cocoa, coconut, apple, mango, orange, grapes, amla, lemon, kharik, etc. are reared with great care. The sixth one, intensive farming. Farming done using mechanized tool, proper irrigation, chemical fertilizer, pesticides, etc. is known as intensive farming. Cash crops such as cotton, tobacco, rubber, etc. are grown more in this type of farming. Due to intensive farming, our per hectare production net sown area has increased drastically and is also known as commercial farming. Now we see farming method. First one, organic farming. In this kind of farming, area or any other chemical fertilizer and insecticides are not used. They contain natural taste, sweetness, and fragrance. They are minerals, vitamins, and life energizing element in this crop. Second one, sustainable farming. In order to observe that the soil fertility is retained for longer time, care is taken for crop rotation, use of chemical fertilizer only whenever necessary, use of biotic controls for insect and harvest, water conservation, etc. Mixed farming. Cattle rearing, poultry, sericulture, fishery, etc. are carried out simultaneously along with this farming. Agricultural product in India. India has three cropping seasons: Rabi, Kharif and Jaid. One by one we see how they are been. Rabi, Kharif and Jaid are the three cropping season. Rabi crop, winter crop, sown in winter, October to December, the sowing time, harvested in summer, April to June. Important crops: wheat, barley, mustard, peas, grams, etc. Kharif crop, crops of the rainy season, sown onset of monsoon June to July, harvested in the month of September to October. Important crops: rice, maize, millet, jowar, bajra, tuar, arhar, moong, urad, cotton, jute, groundnut and soybean. Jiyat season. It is a short cropping season during summer month, mainly between March, April and June, July. Main crops: watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, etc. Below the table is also given for agricultural product in India according to the sowing season, harvesting season and the important crop. And the three cropping seasons are Rabi, Kharif and Jaid. Rabi is winter crop, Kharif is summer crop, Jaid is also between in the month of summer. Okay, part 1 gets over here.